A Tennessee woman says she was denied prenatal care because she's unmarried. Tennessee is showing how Republicans are planning that national abortion ban without an actual ban. Tennessee, one of the states that ranks worst in the country for prenatal and maternity care, recently enacted the Medical Ethics Defense Act, which allows for medical providers and insurers, more on that later, to refuse treatment for patients that go against their beliefs. So much for the whole do no harm oath, I guess. So when a woman came in for prenatal care who was unmarried, despite having a long-term partner and a 13-year-old with him, the doctor was allowed to refuse care, and that horrid woman who dares to exhibit any autonomy over herself with no plans of getting married was punished, as was the fetus that pro-life states like Tennessee claim to care so much about. She now has to leave her state to get care. Obviously, this is terrifying, and another reminder of the Christian nationalism taking over our country, our laws, and our healthcare. This is yet another way MAGA is trying to implement abortion bans without actually calling it a ban. Remember, during the first Trump administration, thanks to his conservative appointees, the Supreme Court ruled that insurance companies don't have to cover birth control because suddenly they can have ethics and morals. This local example of the Medical Ethics Defense Act is just another step in that. This is all about control. Even if a state already has an abortion ban like Tennessee does, they're making things worse for women by making it harder to get care, leading to the highest maternal mortality rates and higher infant death rates. But hey, at least they got to tell a woman what to do with her body, right?